we're going to stay with the idea if you're building goals, what was your mantra at DME to make sure goals are goals and not wishes or
Yeah.
dreams?
Yeah, smart goals. So specific, measurable, actionable. Uh, R can be a couple of different ones. Relative, like it actually makes sense, and then timely. So make sure that it's something that you can actually do something about.
Yep.
I've been part of meetings and things where they're making goals where that sounds really nice, but it has nothing to do with anything that I can do anything about. And
Yes.
so that's a wish. That would be awesome if that happened. But if you can't do anything about it, then
Winning the
it's
lottery is
really
not a
not a
dream. It's
goal.
not a goal,
Yeah,
right? It's a
exactly.
wish, right?
Exactly.
Losing weight, that's a wish. It's not a goal because it's not
Right.
measurable, right?
Right.
So I think one of the big things we want to work on in the business side of things right now is where do we want to be at December 31st, 2026? What do we want to
Yeah.
accomplish, right?
Yeah.
And one
Yeah.
of my first goals I mentioned is I want to do more of these debt service limits where I'm lending money to landlords. So if there's a landlord listening, feel free to reach out and we will give you money for your equity in your property and put a second lien on your property, which is wonderful, and create that
Yeah.
note. Long as you have enough rental money coming in to cover it, let's do it, right? So that's one thing. I'm looking to fund between 250 and 500,000 in that area of stuff, maybe some more. It
Yeah.
just depends.
That sounds great. That sounds really interesting. I honestly, I hadn't really thought of doing that before. I, of course, I'm familiar with it, but I hadn't really thought of doing that. I'd be open to doing something
Yeah.
like that. So I'll give that some more thought,
Yeah.
see how I
If
want
their
to
first
make that
lien's
play.
45 or 50% because the value doubled in the last 5 years, and
Sure.
probably worth $500,000 now, they owe 250 and they want to
Yeah.
borrow 100 grand. Why not?
To do whatever they want to do with
Yep.
it.
And the
Sure.
rentals are going great and they have enough rental
Yeah.
income to pay the bill. Sure. Right.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that sounds like a good one. I like that.
what was your first goal that you have that's measurable and predictable and something you can control?
I want to raise the rest of the capital remaining for my fund. It's a little over 4 million, but I want to get that done. And then I want to deploy at least 3 million of that into performing loans. So earmarked that remaining 2 million for things like DSCR loans or lending out for different reasons or things like that. So I'm open, kind of keeping that as sort of flex. Um, but I want to, yeah, deploy at least 3 million of that into some performing loans, long term, short term, and just start turning it over, seeing what we can do with it.
Absolutely. So, raising capital is something I don't really do a lot. I have private capital, I have private equity, and I could tap probably 10, 15 million if I needed to. But
Hmm.
we talked beforehand, we're not looking to get 1,000 loans or 100
No.
notes. Really want to make sure our quality is good. And right now, capital is really, really strong and
Yeah.
things are kind of weak. Holding money back is not a bad thing, guys. If you're looking to buy, don't just buy to buy because things could change in the economy. So
Yeah.
most investors we talk to privately are holding capital in their bank and hold on to it because they don't want to deploy it because they're just waiting
Right.
for things to change.